Hey everyone, Morgan Carey here from Real Estate Webmasters. I wanted to take a minute to show you some of the cool new features of the Real Estate Webmasters CRM. First, we're going to head over to messaging, and this feature allows you to private message one-on-one with your leads directly through their dashboard. Next, let's create a note. You can create a private note that's just for your viewing and attached to the lead. Or you can create a note that's visible to everyone. So if you're sharing this lead on a team, or whether you have an ISA or a lender, you can share that note as well. Call logging is easy. Just select the outcome, put in your talking points, and save. Sending an email is easy in the new REW CRM. Just create a subject, write your email, and press send. You can also use form letters when sending an email. This allows you to select any of your pre-written messages. You can use merge codes, and you can customize those messages before you send. Texting is one of the most effective ways to reach your leads. You can send a text directly from the REW CRM if you have our texting module enabled. The new CRM has a brand new event tracking system. You can set appointments, decide times and dates, create a description for your meetings, and it's all added to your reminders and your calendar. Another great feature is the quick note. Click in the quick note area, write your note, hit enter, and you're done. You can also manage your groups. Select the groups you want to assign, and it will automatically update on your main screen. From this screen, you can also preview the calls, the emails, and the texts that you've sent via the REW CRM. Now let's talk about the adoption engine. This is one of the most exciting features of the new REW CRM. What it is this wheel you see to the right provides a visual representation of the things you need to do for each lead in order to have effective follow-up. Any of the tasks that you have completed will show up as colored, and any of the tasks that have yet to be completed, either by yourself or by the lead, will show up as gray. I'm going to head over to the first gray task, recommend a listing. What you'll see is the system actually tells you exactly what you're supposed to do. Show them you know what you want, view their saved searches, and send them a listing. Click the button, it opens up a modal. You can search the MLS directly for a listing. You can embed that listing, and you can even provide a note. Press send, and you'll see that it is now colored for the recommended listing section. Moving on to our next gray item, you'll see send an email. Stay in touch. Send a personal email. Be genuine and sincere. I click send an email. It'll open up the email modal. I put in a subject. I write a message. I scroll down and I hit send, and you've sent an email. Now you'll see that the email section is colored. Finally, we have action plans. Set up a plan. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are relationships. I click Assign to Action Plan. I select my action plans from the flyout menu and click Save. Just like that, all of my tasks as an agent are done. As you can see, the adoption engine is a very effective visual tool to help show your agents the things they need to be doing with their leads in order to be successful. The first section of the REW Activity Center is the listing section. Here you'll see a beautiful layout of inquiries, requests, favorites, recommended, and viewed properties. You can see any saved searches, you can see any searches that they've performed, and you can even click in through the properties to be able to see in more detail the various types of properties that have been recommended, viewed, favorited, etc. Within the Listings tab, you can recommend a listing. I'm going to type in something on Rodeo Drive. It accesses the MLS directly. I leave a message for my lead, and I click send. You can even create a saved search directly from the brand new saved search modal. This is a major enhancement for Real Estate Webmasters, as previously you used to have to go to the front end in order to save a search. Now you can do this all right from the lead screen. I'm selecting Beverly Hills, I can't spell it properly, I'll go through a price range, and you'll see the listing results actually updating as we do our search criteria. I select 2.5 acres and add a lento, and what I'll see actually is that there are 0 listings. So I realize I've gone too far. I'll remove Adelento. I now have 14 listings. I can save it. I give it a title. Beverly Hills, away we go. Oh, and I can even email my results immediately. The brand new Save Search Creation through REW CRM. REW CRM has custom fields, and they're awesome. You can actually create as many custom fields as you want for your leads. Click the little plus button, give the field a name. I'm going to choose Mouse's name. Give it a field type. We have number, short text, long text, date. In this case, it's just short text field. I click Save. The field's enabled. I've created a new custom field. I'm going to create another field. This time, I'm going to go with Alligator's birthday because I want a date field. I select date. I click Save. I decide whether that field is enabled or not. And then I can head back to my CRM. Now that we've created our custom fields, head over to the CRM. Select the CRM tab, find yourself a lead. I've selected Anthony, and I scroll down to Custom Details. And you'll actually see that there are 4 outstanding custom details that are not filled in. I'm going to fill in cat's name, Catty Cat Face. Dog's name, Dog Mick hates cats. How about that? I click Add. Mouse's name, I want to spell squeakers, but I can't, so I'm putting in skeekers. I click Add, and then finally, let's check out the alligator's birthday. It's the 20th. Add one more time, and presto. You have custom fields specific to your CRM. Every agent can create their own version of custom fields for a far more powerful lead details experience.